या तुझको शहर भोपाल मिले। शादी का किया मुझसे वादा, धनवान से शादी कर डाली। यहाँ मजनू कुछ अफसरदा नजर आ रहा है। दिल तूने जो तोड़ा पागल का, जा तुझको कोई कव्वाल मिले। आशिक की दुआएं लेती जा, जा तुझको शोहर कंगाल मिले। थैंक यू।
Present to you a young talent from Chicago. This is a very young girl who is an excellent dancer. She has performed at several occasions. And ladies and gentlemen, there's some publication called Asian Publication, and she perhaps is the only person from subcontinent who's been listed there. So I present to you Prerna Tomar. Thank you. Give her a big applause. All right. We'd be requesting her to come back, but not right now. We have a couple of items in line, and right after we perform, we'd bring her back, definitely. She's so good, man. Now, I'd request the band to come back, and we have a very dear friend here, Yusuf, and he requested for this song. So, on his special request, we present to you, ladies and gentlemen, Hassan Malik.
अली बली दे हमरा ही
चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा मैया दा तेरी कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे लड़ियां बट्टण वाली जीवे घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा 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 घूम चरकड़ा मैया दा तेरी कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे कत्तण वाली जीवे लड़ियां बट्टण वाली जीवे घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा मैया दा तेरी कत्तण वाली जीवे चरखा बोले साईं साईं चरखा बोले ओ बोले चरखा बोले साईं साईं बातण बोले तू चरखा बोले ओ बोले चरखा बोले साईं साईं बातण बोले तू कहे हुसैन फकीर न माना कहे हुसैन फकीर न माना मैं नहीं सब तू घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा मैया दा तेरी कत्तण वाली जीव चरखा बोले साईं साईं चरखा बोले ओ बोले चरखा बोले साईं साईं बातण बोले तू चरखा बोले ओ बोले चरखा बोले साईं साईं बातण बोले तू कहे हुसैन फकीर न माना कहे हुसैन फकीर न माना मैं नहीं सब तू घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा चरकड़ा घूम चरकड़ा मैया दा तेरी कत्तण वाली जीवे
You see? Once more. We'd call him. We'd call him. We'd call him. Listen, we have a lot of very good items, so let's go over all these items quickly, and then we'd call all the people who were the highlight of the evening once again. Okay, is it a fair deal? All right. Once more, a standing applause for him. A great song. Thanks. And now we're presenting to you a very talented girl, extremely talented girl, extremely pretty girl as well. Hey, come on, guys. I mean, you don't believe me, you'll see it yourself. And if I'm right, I'd come back and ask you if I were right, okay? So this girl was Miss Chitrahar 2 years ago. She is a physiotherapist by training and a dancer by passion. She has choreographed this dance for herself. This is from the film Lamhe. And participating with her are Pinky Pandya, Anu Thomas, and Shruti Patel. The choreographer and the dancer herself, Divya Iyer.